joke.
How can I think I nailed it?
Yeah, you can't. So she nailed it.
I think she will very soon start to discover the kid in her again.
Aww.
Yeah, hashtag to your daughter.
Hashtag sorry baby, we are coming home soon.
दिव्येंदु,
Hashtag.
Munda.
अली भाई एक बेटी का पिता बनके क्या बदलाव आए हैं?
maybe मेरे क्राफ्ट में बदलाव आया है. मैं जिस तरह अब दुनिया और लोगों को देखता हूँ.
केशव bro, your hard work and talent will make you a big star one day.
मेरा दोस्त है.
देखिए अभी मैं ऑफ द कैमरा पूछ ही रही थी. They are rolling since morning. It's 10 already. They have to rush to their home. Everyone has to rush to their home. They specifically have to rush to their home to their baby. इनको भी मेरे जैसे घर जाके थोड़ा बहुत स्क्रॉल करके बिस्तर में सो जाना है. It's been a long day for everyone. But मैं आप चारों का स्वागत करना चाहूँगी फिल्मी ज्ञान पे. It's a special day. It's a special moment for you guys. सबसे पहले तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी, how is the feeling?
Excited. I think we've already received a lot of love, and I think they should be more nervous right now, because suddenly like the entire country is gonna watch them post the 18th, and I think that's where the Indian saga begins. We are very happy because हमने इसको थोड़ा सा तोड़ मड़ोड़ के जोड़ के कुछ बनाया है, and hopefully we'll be able to make more films. But we're just very very proud of it.
Preeti, you look excited, nervous as well. How is the feeling? Butterflies?
It's nice. I think overall जितनी जर्नी रही है फिल्म के साथ उसमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला है. काफ़ी ग्राउंडिंग एक्सपीरियंस भी रहा है. एंड इट्स गुड क्योंकि Amazon प्राइम में कितने शोज़ देखे हैं मैंने पैंडेमिक में बैठ के. तो अभी खुद का फेस देखना इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट एन एक्सपीरियंस. बट ऑल्सो नॉट टू गेट टू ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है उसके बारे में. जैसे जैसे आएगा.
Carried away by it.
Yeah.
Keshav, how is the feeling?
Yeah, very good that the world has watched it. Finally, the people of our country are going to watch it. So very excited. But there's a lot of, like how she said, that reality check बहुत हो चुके हैं कि कुछ अच्छा आया फिर कुछ नहीं हुआ फिर बहुत कुछ अच्छा हुआ. तो now I think we are also tuned and prepared to take this with a pinch.
You know, you said reality check. He mentioned about reality check. There's a lot of relatability दोनों के characters में. It's giving love, insecurities, jealousy. What was the experience, you know, going into the character, into your character? What was that process?
It's great because कभी-कभी as humans we go through certain emotions and we are not able to justify them, not able to justify why I'm feeling jealous right now, and काफ़ी disturbing होता है. But cinema के through या art के through you have a process where you can express it and it's also beautiful. मतलब जब आप फिल्म में या फिर आर्ट में किसी भी तरीके से ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस को देखते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अगर आप जेलसी को लेके कुछ लिख सकते हैं तो वो एक रिलीविंग प्रोसेस होता है. तो with my character there were so many emotions I was able to feel. I really enjoyed that. कभी like real life में sometimes I might not be able to forgive myself for feeling some things, but in character going through that whole process is a process of forgiving yourself, and hopefully when people watch it they are able to forgive their own selves for feeling.
Keshav, your character seems to be very mature. Some mystery. I don't know. What was the process? Did you enjoy? Was it difficult? How it was?
It wasn't difficult.
क्या बात कर
because of our workshops which we had, I would say. हमने 2 हफ्ते की वर्कशॉप की थी दिलीप शंकर सर के साथ. ही इज़ द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एंड ऑल्सो एन एक्टिंग कोच इन दिस. तो उन्होंने क्या किया था कि ही सेट अ लैंग्वेज बिटवीन द एक्टर्स एंड द डायरेक्टर सुची तलातिया मैम. सो दैट रियली हेल्प्ड. और फिर द स्क्रिप्ट वाज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड इट वाज सो रियल कि जो वो दुनिया देखी हुई थी, at least the school life. So that really helped in understanding that world and just creating something which you have seen there.
Sorry, can I ask you guys a question?
Yeah.
Like when you're creating a world that you are already so relatable, does it get hard? Like कि this so I know, like this is part of me, I've played this, like you've said this a lot of times, right?
Yeah.
Like you really connected because is that okay? Because you also know you're not playing yourself here. You're playing somebody else. Does that get confusing as a character? No?
I enjoy that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting. So it helps.
It helps.
It helps to
Yeah.
know.
It helps to know.
Wow.
Keshav,
But
what
also
do
to
you-
set differences from yourself. I told you this before, right?
हाँ.
कि कुछ चीजें जो अलग थी, अलग
हाँ.
from the person I am.
Yeah, interesting. Sorry.
No,
Sorry.
that's fine. That's fine. Do you get confused,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
do you find yourself in dilemma in terms of?
I get very confused because you have to, then remove all
कितना रखना है,
your.
कितना नहीं.
Yeah. It's nice to kind of have an extreme non-you.
Yeah.
I feel safer there, but of course it's more challenging. Like this would be very challenging.
But also talking about the one. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mother plays a very distinctive role in everyone's life. Here, there's a different perspective of a daughter seeing her mother in a certain different kind of light. Richa, my question is for you. Do you really feel एक बैड लाइट में क्या एक रियल लाइफ में बैड लाइट में मम्मा को कभी उस नज़रिए से देखा जाता है? Is it
When you're growing up, you know your mom's telling you come home at this time, you don't like it. So growing up, there is a lot of friction. I also had with my mom. I was rebelling constantly. I would just not come home sometimes. I'll call her from different places. Like I'll call her from Chanakyapuri. I'll call her from Janpat ki ab main yahan ho, and I made her life hell actually. And it happens. It's not like bad light. It's just different phases. थोड़ा सा rebellious nature जब होता है teenage years में, when you're growing up, when you're 18, it's very different. So we don't get to see that on cinema so much, but it would be interesting to see.
Ali, how were you as a child? Very obedient to your mother, father, or like very naughty?
Yeah, I was a bit of a rowdy. Like it was okay. Yeah.
That is the thing. You guys, how is the relation? Rebellious? Like as what she said while you're growing up, it is rebellious. So what is the sort of?
I think she had mentioned it, I think, in some interview back, that I was one of those जो टीचर से बहुत अच्छे होते थे, पेरेंट्स से भी बहुत अच्छे होते थे, बहुत प्यार करता था, लेकिन करता खुद का था, and I used to break rules, and you can get away with by doing that.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think I was different with both the parents. Like with my father, I was a very obedient, disciplined daughter, but with my mother, I had the rebellious phase where I would just lash out at her. That's also because how mothers have been raised to accept anything, which shouldn't be the case. Now later on, I realized that I've been a bit unkind to her, and so yeah.
Yeah, you realize after a point, I guess there's some sort of realization. Moving forward, I wish to know from you guys that what is that one thing, especially from Richa and Preeti, what is that one thing which you still, you're aware of that women faces in the society and which you really want this to change now? Ab bahut ho gaya.
Actually, can I say that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's that question that your what you thought the film is actually the problem, that there are absentee fathers, and that's why I think even through the film, of course, father's there, but it is a single mother essentially bringing this child up, and even in our few like whatever experiences, I've noticed a lot of families go through that. Of course वो काम करने निकल गए, जो भी करने निकल गए, in all good intention, whatever, but that balance, it's such a disbalance. That whole unit is, it's not a special case. ये एक normalcy है जो लोगों की ज़िंदगियों में चल रही है, कि there are that one unit in your family is just not there.
Do you wish to break that thing?
I mean, we can't, but yeah, stories maybe can, maybe the future can. We can only hope.
Richa, what's your take on this?
On what? On fathers?
Balancing the motherhood and fatherhood equally for a child. Usually
Both are
fathers
important.
considered as absent.
I mean,
In
it's
raising.
sad for the fathers if they're absent, because
Yeah.
they should be more involved in because it brings them also joy. See, nature is the best teacher. If it takes a man and a woman to make a child, that's how a child should also be raised. by the man and the woman, or whatever genders, you know.
Yeah. Preeti, for you, what is that one thing which, you know, as a woman, you want this to change?
I think just policing on how they look. So much comment about how they should be, how they should dress, how they should have no body hair. I think that's all bull crap. We should grow ahead from as society and should accept women with mustaches and body hair. Yeah.
Keshav, anything you have, Ali?
Acceptance.
Sorry.
मुझे तो मारी हो.
Acceptance for sure. And schools mein I think it's young minds there. If there is more acceptance again, I think it would be nice. Just just that.
Yeah, but moving forward, segments है. बहुत deep conversation तो हो गई, अब थोड़ा fun कर लेते हैं.
Never have I ever नहीं खेली.
Never have I ever बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
Okay.
It's what the comments. जनता के कुछ comment है, उनके प्यारे से comment है, उनका जवाब दे दीजिए.
On
अरे
real.
बाप रे.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
अली for you, अली भाई एक बेटी का पिता बन के क्या बदलाव आए हैं?
अरे बाप रे.
Ali bhai.
अली भाई.
Aliyoy.
भाई
भाई.
अरे यार आया है, बहुत बदलाव आया है. मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ और ये एक नया फेज़ है मेरे लिए. और मे बी मेरे क्राफ्ट में बदलाव आया है. मैं जिस तरह अब दुनिया और लोगों को देखता हूँ, वो उसका नज़रिया थोड़ा सा हटा है. या
बस ये बदलाव है. रिचा, you've seen him being a boy, being a lover boy, being a caring husband, to now completely experiencing his, you know, he's nurturing his fatherhood. How is he doing it?
I want to say he was always a caring boy, caring lover boy, caring husband and caring father. I mean, I think that's why he graduated from being a boy to a father. अगर नहीं होता caring तो
मेरे दिमाग में तो मतलब वो बोर्ड गेम में अब एक और प्लेयर आ गया है. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. जैसे अभी अपन लोग 2 लोग खेलते थे या बाहर से लोग बुला रहे हैं, अब एक कम दोस्त को बुलाना पड़ेगा. जैसे अभी तू चल.
कुछ साल है, she's a few months.
अरे she'll grow.
Preeti, for you, Preeti, you resemble so much like a young version of Raji Desai.
Ooh.
Resemblance.
हाँ? नहीं.
अच्छी बात है, सुंदर है वो बहुत.
हाँ सुंदर तो है, but I
I
don't
know.
disagree. I disagree. I think Preeti
Yeah.
looks like Preeti.
Yeah.
Unique face. Yeah.
Who do I look like?
What pretty face. Pretty face.
Keshav, bro, your hard work and talent will make you a big star one day.
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का दोस्त होगा.
हाँ तुम्हारे 2-3 दोस्त मेरे भी उसमें bro, you were right bro.
वो जो टूटे सपने हैं ना इंजीनियर्स का, वो मेरे कमेंट्स में, मेरे टैग पोस्ट में आ जाता है.
भाई बट इंजीनियर्स की फॉलोइंग कड़क है.
Too much love and
कहाँ
support.
से ढूंढ के लाए हैं यहाँ पे?
Instagram comments and YouTube section.
सॉरी, आप वापस बोल दोगे, सुनने में अच्छा लगा.
Keshav, bro, your hard work and talent will make you a big star one day.
Yes. Let's lock that. It will be true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Richa ma'am, how are you embracing your mother?
I go every day and I hug myself and I'm like I'm embracing my motherhood.
मुझे लग गया.
मुझे लग
Wow.
जाए ना मेरी नजर. There's a song in the film.
Within 2 lines.
I don't know what I'm doing honestly right now. I have a lot of brain fog, and I can't wait to get over the work so that I can switch my phone off and not be available.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas.
No, but again, a counter question. You've seen Richa being a lover girl, caring girlfriend, now caring wife.
Yeah. Yeah.
As a mother, for you, from your house, from your eyes, how is she as a mother?
I think she will very soon start to discover the kid in her again. Yeah. I think that's gonna happen. I can see like suddenly she has this whole I have to do my, and it's hard, right? But I think eventually it will come. That'll be fun.
hard, yeah.
Yeah. What you like.
Regress.
Also, I keep thinking like these bicharas have had to go through all of these conversations about our parenthood throughout the day.
Everyone is cute.
हम तो ready हैं, हम तो भी fatherhood. I mean,
What is he saying?
No, from all these questions and answers, I'm saying I feel I'm ready. I mean,
Ready for
it's
what?
fatherhood.
No, you are not.
You are not.
Cancel.
Joke.
You are a boy who thinks he's a
No,
man,
no.
and now he thinks he's a
casting
father.
movie, women will be women. You are Keshav. Keshav will be Keshav.
The hashtag
Okay,
show.
quick.
Aditi Rao Hai.
Well, interesting.
Hashtag interesting.
Hashtag interesting. Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Hashtag hot.
Salman Khan.
Hashtag
अबे
भाई.
सब तुम्हें नहीं बोलना है, उसको बोलना है.
मुझे नहीं बोलना.
जो जल्दी बोलेगा वो
हाँ,
बोलेगा.
okay,
चलो.
okay.
Come on.
Hashtag
Hey, acting.
Bhaijan.
हाँ.
Vicky Kaushal.
Hashtag तौबा तौबा.
sweet.
Tauba.
Hashtag तौबा.
Divyendu.
Hashtag.
मुन्ना. Hashtag मुन्ना.
It's the hashtag ha ha ha.
Sorry yaar. I love him.
Hashtag
Yeah.
मुन्ना.
Hashtag cool.
Munna.
Pulkit Samrat.
Hashtag bro.
Heart.
Alia Bhatt.
Hashtag
Hashtag
talented.
cool.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Hashtag
best.
father.
Hashtag
Best बोला
Best.
best. मैंने बोला डैडी हो गया यार.
Oh.
Pankaj Tripathi ji.
Hashtag पंडित.
Hashtag हवा.
पंडित जी I said.
Pandit ji. And lastly, Aishwarya Rai.
Hashtag
Hashtag
beauty.
class.
Queen.
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 Keshav,
हाँ?
you तो didn't participate at all.
नहीं, मैं तो सुन रहा था.
Hashtag Aishwarya Rai बोलो.
ठीक है. The other segment is rapid fire. One actor you wish to work with.
शाहरुख खान.
One director you wish to work with.
बोलो.
इम्तियाज अली.
Anjali Menon.
If you have the chance to live somebody else's life, who would you?
शाहरुख खान.
Changiz Khan.
Wow. गई तू.
This is for you all. One thing which you wish to change in the industry.
Working hours.
Yeah. Nice one. Yeah. Weekend holidays.
Weekend holiday and working hours.
Yeah.
You?
More women.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You.
Keshav?
Keshav, disqualified.
More chances for newcomers.
Lastly, suppose you are the casting director. Who will you cast in the following? Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Bunny and Naina. Somebody else.
अबे बहुत intense.
That's why very iconic already.
हाँ यार.
कर दो कोई और.
नहीं क्यों? वो एक बनी बनाई फिल्म में हम किसको घुसाएंगे?
हाँ. केशव प्रीति.
डन. हाँ फिनिश खत्म.
Mirzapur,
Very good.
Guddu Bhaiya.
केशव बोल.
Zunaira.
No, I'll tell you. Jaideep.
Hira Mandi ki Lajjo.
यार ये तो नहीं मैं बिल्कुल.
I'll tell you. Oh God.
Guys यार, you
Okay.
guys take too
You
long.
say ना यार.
तुम्हारा RAM इतना slow है ना यार.
है अब 10 बज रहे हैं.
Very slow.
Yeah.
How can I think I nailed it.
Yeah, you can't. So she nailed it. Yeah.
DDLJ, Shah Rukh and Kajol.
Can't happen. We
No,
cannot
no.
change
This
that.
is not
Next
gonna
question.
happen.
And lastly, a hashtag to your daughter. We are ending it.
Hashtag sorry baby we are coming home soon.
मैं चाहती हूँ एक प्यारा सा मैसेज दे दे. मैं I usually end my interview by asking a very
नहीं, not happening.
no question. I'm not asking a question, but giving out a life advice to all youngsters out there. So I wish अगर आप लोगों ने अभी
हम youngsters हमें दे
I
दो
wish
advice.
you both to give one life advice to the people out there.
Read books.
Yeah, don't worry about the best answers. It doesn't have to always be. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, to feel shitty.
I thought you'll keep going, Ali.
Yeah.
I thought you'll keep going for like 3 more sentences.
बोल
That
दे,
would be
बोल दे.
lovely. So nice. Thank you.
Sorry. Okay.
Thank you so much guys for watching. They're getting very late.
Thank you.
Thank you.